Okay, student. In my previous class, I already discussed about the factors that affects the climates of place. There is another topic is left. The distance of the sea. I already discussed distance of the sea. Now I discuss here. The people of the place where they live near the sea area. Okay, the climates are moderate. Means those people live in near to the sea. The climate is very moderate. They face neither too hot nor too cold. But those places are far. Those people are far from a sea. They face an extreme climate which is very cold in winter very cold in winter, and in summer they face a very hot. According to this, the climate of the coastal area affects the two things. One is land breeze, another is a sea breeze. Now I discuss about the land and sea breeze. Acha, open your book, page number 69. What is land breeze and what is what is sea and land breeze? Okay. Now, land gets heated faster or cooler, fastest and loses heat fastest than the water. Means land heated very fast and cool down is also in a very fast way. But in a water, the water is heated slowly and cool down also very slowly. During the daytime, the land gets heated more quickly. During the daytime, in sun, here denote as a daytime. During the daytime, the land heated faster according to is compared to the sea. Water heated slowly, but the land heated quickly. So that's why if the land heat quickly, then the air of this land side are warm, and it's after that it makes the air above the land surface. When the land is heated, the heated air is uplifted towards the upside, and after that this hot air rises up. The cool air above the sea blow towards the land to occupy the space it creates. This known as onshore wind or a sea breeze. Sea breeze. Okay, means in a daytime the sun is here, means it's a daytime. The land and the sea. The land is heated quickly as compared to sea. Achha, now when the land is heated, here the atmosphere, the air is heated quickly because the land is heated. When the air is hot, after that they slowly move towards the upward. Means this place is vacant. In this time, here in the sea areas, here the air is cool. So that's why when the air is heat up and lifted upwards, if this place is vacant, this place is occupied by a sea airs. Okay, it's a cool air. So this place occupied by a cool air. So when the air moves towards the sea to land, okay, when the air moves sea towards the land, this is the process of a sea breezing. In a night time, this process is completely reverse. In a night time, this is the moon. In a night time, in a night time, the land cool down faster as compared to sea because it takes time to cool down. That time what will happen, here the air is heated up because the water is hot, the air is heated. That time what will happen is the air lift upwards towards the water. That time this area is vacant. After this, here where is the cold air is there, it's moved towards the sea. Okay, this time is follow a land breeze. Understood? Now our next topic is humidity and rainfall. It all comes under a distance from the sea. It depends on the distance on the sea. Okay, it's a next distance from the sea. It's a next topic according to in the distance from the sea is the humidity and rainfall. What is humidity? The amount of water vapor present in air is called humidity. The degree of humidity placed related to the distance means if we near to the ground, if we close to the sea, then the humidity is increases. Okay, the humidity is high. Then that's why when if the humidity is increased in the rainy season, the humidity is much more in our atmosphere. That's why in a rainy season we sweat a lot. If our environment if the humidity is high, more humidity in our atmosphere, in that time we sweat a lot. Then this affects the climate atmospheres which cause the rainfall. Sometime the rainfall in our sometime in the cold area, the people face the rainfall instead of a snowfall. Okay, the next is a direction of wind. Means what is wind? Wind, the horizontal moving of air. The horizontal moving air is called wind. Hot wind increase the temperature of a place while the cold wind is decrease. It means those places are very hot. That time the wind is very hot. They move horizontally, and those places the weather or the climate is cold. The wind, the temperature of the wind is less. The wind pass over water bodies, carry the moisture and bring the rain of the place they blow over. Means it's a land and it's a sea. When here, because when according if there is a daytime or a night time, when the sun rays reaches the sea level, its water vapor is come out from the water. You know what is water cycle? This process is like this. When the wind blows, all this moisture and water vapor present in that atmosphere, in that place above the sea, they carry all this moisture. Okay, after that it's come towards the land. The India is affected land and it's blow, and that time we blow sometime a cold wind or we face a rain in that time. India is affected by a seasonal wind known as monsoon. We have a 6 season. Within the 6 season, there is one monsoon seasons are there. The southern west monsoons will bring rain from June to September. In our India, we face June to September. It's our rainy season, because in that time we face a rain. And the northeast monsoon will bring a rain during the December and January. And the northeast people face the monsoon according to in the duration of a time December and January. Student, I think that you understand this chapter. And there is one announcement. This is your project work chapter. So that's why if you want to do all the exercise, question answer, fill in the true and false, you do it at your own and at your home. But this is your project work, so that's why no need to do all these question answers. Only you have to read this chapter very carefully. If some students want to do all this question answer, then do it. It's totally personal to you. But this chapter is your project work, and the project work I will give it to you later. So before that, you have to read this chapter and understand this chapter very carefully. Okay? Thank you.